Hey everybody, this Chinggis. It's Justin.
Chinggis cousin.
The Chinggis cousin. Hi everybody, this Chinggis. Today I'm going to do a comparison video to everyday carry flashlight, everyday carry budget flashlight. How that sound? Really good stuff for a real little bit of money. First up, we got the Olight i3T EOS. It's not a little light for about $22. For Olight, you're good. I got it on Amazon. And then competition is Streamlight Microstream USB. They make one that's not USB, but I got this one so I can recharge it. It's good. So let's look at the speedometer. Let's look at the specification of both these flashlights. So first we got the Olight. The Olight is let's see, on high it's 180 lumen, 900 candela, and a 60-meter throw, and it's supposed to hold it for 21 minutes. That's not a long time, but it's high. Then the low is 5 lumen, 12-meter throw, and it's supposed to hold it for 16 hours. That's pretty good, but it's only 5 lumen. I don't know how many candela it is. And then running off one AAA battery, $22. And Microstream, what's it called? Streamlight Microstream USB. Supposedly the USB one had a lot more lumen, but I don't know how much the non-rechargeable one is. So this 250 lumen, 1150 candela, 6 to 8 meter throw, and hour and a half run time. And that's on high. On low it's 50 lumen, 250 candela, 31 meter throw, 3.5 hour run time. And then that's low right there, not bad. And it runs on one rechargeable AAA battery. Pretty cool because you got a little, you just open this up right here. You got a little micro USB port right there. You can charge your shit. Pretty cool. Both got these pretty sturdy belt clip, pocket clip. Pretty much the same thing almost. Yeah, they look pretty good. Then they both have the clip. You can clip to your hat like that. Clip to your hat. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. And yeah, so this one, what, $30? $22? I feel like you get more for the extra $8. So function wise, this one I like the button on this one, real user friendly, super smooth, easy to use. One thing I don't like for everyday carry, the first click is low, and then you have to pump it twice to get that high. I think it should be the other way around, but I do like the button. This one do it right, and then you want low. The only thing is you gotta push this one pretty hard to get that button to stay down. So pick your poison. And then this one 1200 lumens, so that's pretty cool. But we're not doing that video right now. I guess turn off the lights, see how they look. So here we are in the pitch black. First off, we're gonna do the Olight i3T EOS, something like that. We do that first. So first off, you got the low settings. 5 lumen, that's not bad when it's pitch black. Okay, then we're gonna do the high. Ooh, that's pretty good. All right, so once again, we got 5 lumen, 180 lumen. Boom. And then we got the Streamlight Microstream USB. So we'll do low. Not bad. That looks pretty good. And then high. Ooh, that's 250 lumen. That's real good in the dark. So there you have it. So there you have it, folks. I got the $22 Olight, and then got the $30 Streamlight. Overall, I'll probably go with Streamlight, but I do like certain things about this, like I just like the button better. This one, I don't like the button too much. Other than that, I guess I like this one because you can recharge it. I think they're both good size. This one's a little bit taller. That's cool. Well, that's it for this video. No comparison. I hope that helped enlighten you. Just remember, keep your finger off the trigger.